Shama. Listen with your whole self. A trend calls it bird theory. Someone says, "I saw a bird," and watches if their partner turns toward them or away. It is not about birds. It is about presence. Gottman calls these moments bids for connection. In couples that thrive, partners answer most bids, about 86%. In those that fracture, it is closer to 33%. Hebrew wisdom names the stance, hineni, here I am. Solomon asked for a lev shomea, a listening heart. Buddhism speaks of sati, attention without judgment. Taoist Wu Wei points to natural, unforced responsiveness. Even a phone on the table can thin a conversation. The question beneath every small comment is simple. Are you here with me? Practice a second glance. Breathe. Put the phone away. Ask one sincere follow-up. If you cannot be present, name it. Then return. Read the description for the complete practice and the ancient sources behind this wisdom.